So today I made the worst restaurant in Restaurant Tycoon 2, and it is crazy. So watch till the end of the video to find out what it looks like. Okay, so we are in the game now, and today I'm going to be making the worst restaurant in Restaurant Tycoon 2. What should we name it? The worst. Why not? We're gonna close our restaurant, so we're gonna close it. So now we go on a deleting spree. We go on demolish. What? Okay, then we're gonna. What? I can't sell items until restaurant day 4. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, bro, what day is it? What day is it? What day is it? What day is it? Sell all. Sell. Yep, just sell, goodbye. You see, the thing is, you need fresh air in your restaurant, okay? Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have one chair. Yeah, let's put it there. And then I'll have one chair, and it'll be the cheapest chair. We need to close this. So, first of all, we need we need an order station. So we'll have an order station, a stove. Okay, yeah, so that is our restaurant. Okay, we're gonna open this thing. Actually, should I fire my waiters? Yeah, probably should, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna cook. Alright, so this will probably be the worst restaurant, if not one of the worst. So this should go down. That's good. We're gonna change the primary color to pink. 14! Oh wait, serve at least 30 different dishes. Bro. Okay, well, I got the 2.4 stars, so that's pretty good. I mean, I think at least. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to make the actual worst restaurant or do something similar, best restaurant, hit the like button, subscribe, let me know, and down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.